Hey everyone, hope you're all doing great. I'm just so excited to launch my AI/ML bootcamp for the first time. I'm launching it on April 20th, and the class timing is 8 to 9. It's almost for 2 months. According to our requirement, I can extend the hours to 8 to 9:30 as well. So this AI/ML bootcamp is very much important for all the employees who are aspiring to learn something related to an AI. The prerequisite is if you have a knowledge of Python libraries, statistics, then you can start with this. Even if you don't have, just try to master them. You can message me, I can share my Udemy courses so you can refer from it and you can join this AIML bootcamp as well. But that's a prerequisite I would expect Python libraries, statistics, basic knowledge of statistics, and Python knowledge. So now, what are you going to learn in this AIML bootcamp? So I have been designed a curriculum wherein you have a different things like we'll be starting with scratch of machine learning, understanding algorithm, working intuition behind them, implementing them end to end, including pre-processing, model building, hyperparameter tuning, and also deployment. And then I'll be discussing all the machine learning algorithms starting from linear regression till XGBoost. And then we'll be starting with deep learning fundamentals, wherein we'll be discussing about ENN and CNN. And the natural language processing, dealing with text is very much important. We'll be discussing about the NLP pre-processing and also NLP models. And then advanced transformer and modern NLP, understanding attention mechanism, encoder, decoder, transformer architecture. These things plays a very important role. Along with that, a quick introduction to a Hugging Face transformer, wherein you can do the fine tuning of BERT for classification tasks like using pre-trained models, etc. And then I'll be discussing very important the trending domain, which is generative AI. I'll be discussing about what are LLMs, prompt engineering, different APIs, how to use them, and also Hugging Face interface inference API, which basically has like multiple models which you can use, access and use it. And then we'll be discussing about a RAG which helps you in extracting information from an external document or external knowledge, vector databases, evidence, building Q&A bot using RAG and FIRs. And then we'll be discussing about an AI agent, how you can define multi-step workflows with multiple agents which can plan and act. And then I'll be discussing about an automation, how you can automate things without writing a code. That's so interesting. And then finally, deployment strategies. Obviously, I'll be showing how to deploy on Streamlit or Gradio, as well as using a fast APIs. And if possible, I'll show it on how to deploy it on Azure as well. And then you have a capstone projects. You can work on different projects based on whatever I have taught in this bootcamp. And then finally, career preparation, how to prepare for interviews, how to answer on interviews, how to prepare your resume. Resume guidance will be given. You can create from my platform as well. Along with that, you have an AI access to prepare for an interview. And then I'll be helping you in how to customize your LinkedIn, GitHub, how to be active on LinkedIn, how to present yourself, how to explain projects in interview. So all these things will be covered in this particular bootcamp. So bootcamp price is 9,999. So I'm going to take a limited seats because I want people who are serious to learn, people who want to make changes in their life, I mean in their career, who are serious about doing something, then this goes for you. All the best. So look into the brochure. Any questions you can connect to me and please enroll and utilize this particular bootcamp. Thank you. Happy learning and all the best.